case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1962 Supreme Court case, Vaughan v. Atkinson, a seaman who fell ill while in service filed a lawsuit against his shipowners, seeking maintenance, cure, and damages for their failure to provide both. The seaman had served on the ship from November 1956 to March 1957, when he was discharged due to suspected tuberculosis. For over 2 years, the shipowner failed to investigate the seaman's claims or provide maintenance and cure, forcing the seaman to hire a lawyer to recover the owed amount. The lower courts granted maintenance but disallowed the damages claim. However, the Supreme Court disagreed, holding that the shipowner was obligated to pay damages, including necessary expenses and counsel fees. Moreover, the court ruled that the seaman's earnings during this period should not be deducted from the amount owed by the shipowner. The decision underscored the legal obligation of shipowners to provide medical care and support to sick or injured seamen, and emphasized that this obligation cannot be evaded by counting a seaman's earnings from work. As per the long-standing policy of maintenance and cure, this duty is designed to protect seamen from illness and abandonment while in foreign ports, and to encourage masters and owners to ensure the safety and health of seamen while in service.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.